You know, times have changed, but few things have remained constant. That cool morning breeze, mountains standing tall as ever, withstanding the roaring waves, and those first rays of the sun.
लेट मी टेल यू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ सीन अबाउट दिस गोवा ट्रिप दैट आई हैव राइट नाउ. तो मैं गोवा आया हूँ 1 महीने के लिए, जो मैंने अपने पिछले व्लॉग में ऑलरेडी बता दिया है. एंड आई थिंक लाइक पिछले 7 दिन से आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू सेटल इन एट द प्लेस. ऐसा होता है राइट. आई मीन यू कम टू अ प्लेस देन इट टेक्स यू सम टाइम टू जस्ट सेटल इन. सो दैट्स वॉट आई वॉज डूइंग ऑल दिस वाइल. अभी आई थिंक लाइक आई फील मच मोर कम्फर्टेबल एट द प्लेस. So we are going for an early morning shoot. This is the first day of the shoot, and that's Avrit driving. मेरी literally फटी हुई है because dude, do you trust his driving?
50-50.
That's Tushar, and even he doesn't trust his driving. But I don't know how come we are trusting his driving. But yeah, we are going to Chapora Fort. Chapora Fort बोलते हैं ना? Chapora Fort. So we are going to Chapora Fort, and let's see what all we can shoot over there. Let's go.
Yeah, just calibrating.
Oh, nice. So he is balancing his gimbal.
Yeah, we're all set.
All set. So आइडिया तो था सनराइज शूट करने का, बट थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए हैं आई फील. तो शायद सनराइज नहीं मिलेगा, बस लेट्स होप व्हाटएवर वी कैन कैप्चर.
This Goa trip is not just a travel experience for me, it's way beyond that. It's a journey to figure out how far I could go to keep the hope of doing what I love to do alive. It's my attempt to take small steps and move ahead. To understand that some days in life are about dreams, hopes, and plans for future. But then, there are some days where life is just about putting one foot in front of the other and be okay with it.
मैं गोवा आया हूँ 1 महीने के लिए. मेरे को डेफिनेटली कुछ अच्छा सिनेमैटिक शूट करना है, बट आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू शेयर अ लॉट ऑफ स्टोरीज विद यू वाइल आई एम हियर. क्योंकि हर बार क्या होता है कि मैं किसी जगह पे जाता हूँ, फिर मैं फिल्म करता हूँ, घर जाके एडिट करता हूँ, तो तब तक वो पूरी फील चली जाती है राइट. क्योंकि यू माइट बी सीइंग समथिंग इन माई इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू यूट्यूब इज़ वेरी डिलेड. तो हमारा प्लान ये है कि हम लोग यहाँ पे 31st तक हैं, and 15 दिन is what we are planning. We'll go out and explore each and every place in Goa. Like हर दिन we'll try to explore 1 or 2 places. The idea was to do 2 places at a time, but then today is the first day and we realized कि हम लोग चपोरा फोर्ट और ओजरान बीच करने वाले थे, बट अभी तो टाइम बचा ही नहीं है. चपोरा फोर्ट में बहुत टाइम लग गया, तो आई थिंक फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट ट्रिप ऑनवर्ड हम लोग को थोड़ा और जल्दी करना पड़ेगा. अगर हो पाया तो शाम को सनसेट भी शूट करेंगे, बट पूरा सीन यही होगा कि लाइक यू नो वील बी फिल्मिंग फॉर अ बिगर प्रोजेक्ट. And meanwhile, while we are doing this, I'll share the stories with you in a form of a vlog. And in this entire vlog series, what I'll try to do is I'll try to share insights about my life. क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग पूछते रहते हैं कि मैंने कैसे YouTube start किया, या फिर मैं कैसे कर रहा हूँ, how am I managing my job as well as YouTube. So I'll try to cover each and every aspect of my life. Like it's not just filmmaking that I do. I also work in digital marketing full time. So in this series, I'll not only take you to some good places around Goa, but I'll also give you suggestions on places where you can eat. Like there's this one where we are here today. It's called Baba Oram. Baba Oram. And it's known for really good breakfast. My friend Avrit has recommended me this place because he has been here for a long time before. So रुकते हैं, खाते हैं और बताते हैं कि यहाँ का खाना कैसा है. So the food is here and I've got myself an avocado sandwich with multigrain bread, some lettuce, it's vegan, and I've also got myself green tea like usual. So it's actually pretty good. Avrit, what did you get?
Orgasms, bro.
Orgasm? I thought I was more interested about your food.
Food's amazing.
Food's amazing. And there's this girl who is very camera conscious. What did you get?
Sandwich, avocado, and yeah,
Oh,
it's not.
same.
I don't think it's vegetarian.
This is what I had missed the most of all these days. Traveling with friends, engaging in those irrelevant conversations, driving through these curvy roads while enjoying the nature, creating stories through those shots of beautiful places. This is life for me. This is my hope.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. हाँ हाँ.